On today's episode, we're going to be taking a look at this blank space we got on this wall because from everything from the pressure washer, vacuum hose reel, over here to our air compressor hose reels is all kitted out and looking killer. I'm super happy with it, but we just have this blank space right here and this is what we want to do with it. Bam! We're going to put that flat screen TV right up there. Man, that looks awesome. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So I bought a brand new Samsung Q7 series for inside my house. And I'll tell you right now, that thing is big, it's crystal clear, the colors are off the charts. I like it a whole lot. But that leaves me with my 8000 series Samsung, and it's not ready for the dump yet. It's getting older, but I'll tell you what, it was a super high grade TV and it's still crystal clear and nice. And I can't think of a better thing to do than to repurpose it and put it on this garage wall. So one of the things that absolutely bug me about these large flat screen TVs, when you start researching mounting possibilities, they're really expensive. Not only that, but most of them stick off the wall like 2 or 3 suitcases wide. I don't want to hide behind it and play hide and go seek or not it. I want that thing plastered against the wall as close as possible. I mean, like as close as possible, like a picture frame. With that being said, let's get over to the workbench and let's start getting this thing on the wall. Yeah.
So I'm going to try something different on this install and try out this LED backlighting. It should be pretty cool. We'll see how it goes. We'll just give it a try. I've also added links to everything that I've used down in the description so that you can have a look after you watch the video. Since the wall mount that I'm using is homemade, I put a link for a low profile mount in the description as well.
Okay, so the LED light was pretty straightforward with the install. You just run it along the edge. It's got double-sided tape. It sticks down real nice.
Now that the TV's all set, let's find the center in the space that I want to mount the TV. I'll use a level to bring that mark up to the top. Next, I'll measure down to get the height that I want to mount the TV. Now we'll mark the location of the studs. This is super important because we want our mounting bolts to be firmly mounted inside those studs. Now we'll intersect the height that we want the TV with the centers of the studs. Anytime we're screwing large bolts into 2x4s, we want to be sure to pre-drill so that we don't split the wood. I'll use my impact gun to secure my lag bolts. Now it's time to hang the TV. Obviously you should use 2 people. This is just sheer grit and will getting this heavy TV on that wall. Make sure to neatly zip tie and secure your wires behind the TV so they don't hang down.
Okay, so the TV went up super easy. We put that mount together, we put the lighting on the back and lifted it up just like a picture and hung it up. It took hardly no time at all. I'm super happy with it. And I have to say that with this big blank wall in the back, it filled the space perfect. The car sits about here, so it's just in plain view from all angles, the entire garage. One of my favorite parts about it is I hooked Roku up to it. I got Wi-Fi here in my garage, so I'm streaming. I got YouTube, Hulu, Netflix, or any of your favorite programming can go right into this TV. So one thing that I really am going to find useful, like I'm working on my mountain bike and I'm trying to do something that requires some sort of tutorial or video. Man, I'm usually on my phone trying to look through it on some little tiny screen. Now I can just put it up here on the big TV, watch it, follow along, get the job done. Of course, you can watch the Hawaii Tesla detailing videos in the back of your garage too. But I would say, man, this is really going to be useful in that area. So I'm digging it. So one of my favorite things about the installation, and I have to say originally I was like, man, if this doesn't work out, I'm gonna not even put it in the video. It was totally a trial. So, and this is one of my favorite parts about it. Man, so you set that up and boom, there we go. We got the LED lighting that matches anything you want. Now this isn't my official logo. As a matter of fact, if anybody knows somebody that does cool logos, leave a comment down below and let me know about it. I'm looking to do something really neat for the channel. This is just an old one that I built when I first started it. So the LED lights add a cool little ambiance to the scene out here. So let me know in the comments with that too. Do you think that this adds something or you find it corny? I mean, either way, you can turn it off. It's not necessary, but if you're feeling like you want it, there it is. Another cool thing is, depending on what's playing on the TV, you could put different lighting up. So you get all the colors you want, all the way around the whole spectrum. I mean, it's got every single one of them. So I find that really neat. Here's the one downside to these LED lights. So when I turn on the detailing lights, which admittedly is 100,000+ lumen lights, man, it just washes out the LEDs. I mean, I can still see a faint thing around the edge, but we can't get colored lights powerful enough to project out on a wall that's being drowned out by that sort of light. So I'm not disappointed with that, and I probably wouldn't be in here watching TV with a mood situation going on with these bright detailing lights on anyway. So it seems to be just fine when you think about it like that. So if you enjoy these videos and you want to see more like them, we got tons more stuff to do. We're just constantly coming up with new neat projects. I'm not going to stop until my garage is kitted out, and I'm fully happy with it. And there's a lot more work to do. So hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. We sure enjoy our subscribers. And also, if you like the video, show your support for the channel and hit that like button down below. That helps out the channel by moving us up in the rankings so that other people get to enjoy the videos too. And we always appreciate you stopping by. If you have any questions about this install or anything I did, or I'll actually link everything I use down in the description to help you guys out. Just click on them, check them out. Obviously, if you do click on them and buy something, that supports the channel. But if you just want to look around just to see what I did, that's awesome too. I appreciate everybody that watches the channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Yeah.